There are different types of fonts that Bentley supports. Here I'm in a DGN where I've placed a variety of resource fonts on the left column, and then also a variety of TrueType fonts there on the right column. What I have on the left column is a list of resource fonts, also known as RSC, and these are MicroStation specific and stored in MicroStation resource files, which have a file extension RSC. This is likely the types of font that were used in previous V8i workspaces, and a single resource file is able to contain multiple resource fonts, and each font is assigned both a number and a name. On the left or on the right column, I have the TrueType fonts, also known as TT fonts. These are delivered with Windows, and many more are also going to be available from other vendors. TrueType is an industry standard format, which is not only supported by MicroStation, but it's also what MicroStation recommends you use over both the resource and the AutoCAD fonts, which are also known as SHX fonts, which I'll talk about in a minute. Most state agencies are either using Arial or Calibri fonts. The TrueType fonts are always filled and do not provide a support for stick fonts as opposed to the resource and AutoCAD fonts. Because the fonts are filled and not line-based, it's not possible to apply a line weight to the fonts, and any weight that you wish to be applied to the fonts will instead need to be compensated for by selecting a heavy weight font with the option to apply some bold formatting. So to show that, I'm just going to select all of these that I've placed, and I'll change the weight. And as I change it, you'll notice that the first column, which contains the resource files, will change in weight, but the TrueType fonts will not. There's also the AutoCAD fonts, which are also called SHX fonts, and these are supported by MicroStation. However, the only time you should be using SHH fonts inside of an ORD workspace are when you must be able to ensure AutoCAD compatibility, and the TrueType fonts are not going to be a viable option for you.